this video, I'm counting down the top 5 apps to maximize your utility in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. 3DEXPERIENCE groups all of its apps into roles, and there are 2 roles that every user of the platform will receive when signing up: 3D Swimmer and Collaborative Industry Innovator. The 5 apps that we'll discuss in this video are within these 2 roles. Let's kick things off with 3D Markup. This app allows you to interact with 3D models in a browser without any software installation, measure geometry for verification purposes, or simply display it for reference. Orient the 3D model as desired and add arrows, notes, even draw freehand graphics in the viewport. This collection of views and annotations can then be saved as images and share it back to the owner of the content. The Compare tool allows you to place 2 models side by side and view the differences. Will you like to compare revisions, or even 2 entirely different models? Compare highlights changes in assembly structure, 3D geometry, and even metadata, complete with color-coded visuals for quick assessment. Product Structure Explorer pairs well with the 3D Navigate app, so this entry is a bit of a 2-for-1. Here we can dynamically view the components of the assembly. We can also change the structural view and export CSV files of your CAD bill of materials. The next app we'll consider is Collaborative Lifecycle, which shifts our focus from data review into data management. Easily view and change maturity states to move products towards development. Access tools like revisioning, branching, and duplicating to manage variations to your designs while still keeping them connected to the original source files. Finally, my number 1 app for getting started in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the Bookmark Editor. While this app is available as a widget to drag into a tab, it is always accessible from the content icon in the top right-hand corner above any dashboard. Use bookmarks in a similar fashion to File Explorer to organize your data for quick access. While parts, assemblies, documents, etc. exist in collaborative spaces, the Bookmark Editor is the most effective way to organize and open these items. To review, 3D Markup facilitates annotations on models. The Compare app checks geometric and metadata differences between models. Product Structure Explorer is useful for navigating the multi-level structure of assemblies. Collaborative Lifecycle enables complete revision control. And Bookmark Editor organizes quick links to your most persistent data. Try these apps in your next 3DEXPERIENCE session, and you'll surely experience an increase in productivity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below with your favorite app, or what topic you'd like us to cover in a future video. Visit our website, GoEngineer.com, for access to professional training, upcoming events, and more from your number 1 online technical resource.